Good morning, guys. Sharing my screen. Okay, fine. So last session we started string concept, right? So there we learned about what is string, purpose of string, and where the string is coming from. Okay, so I will quickly revise and then we'll go with today's session. So this is in the last session we discussed about the strings. So why string is generally which is belonging to non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types also called as reference data types. In the reference data types, these are available: arrays, strings, class, collection. So arrays topic we done, and we started in the last session. That is the strings. Okay. So after the strings, so we learn a few points about the strings. String is the reference data type, and string is a predefined class which is available in java.lang package, and string we can use as the reference data type, and string is used to store the group of characters. String is used to store the group of characters. Okay, so this is an example. If you take the string and I would say the data type is the string, variable name is the name, and this group of characters, this value I am assigning into the variable. Okay, string is the immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the value. We cannot change the value. Okay, so string we can create string in two ways. One is literal approach, and second way is by using new operator. So how the JVM it will treat normal literal approach meaning directly we are assigning the value into the variable. Directly we are assigning the value into the variable. Okay, and by using new operator meaning, so this will be stored in the I would say string constant pool area, and this will be stored in the heap memory. So how when you created the string, how the JVM will given assign the memory to the string. So this is the special memory string constant pool area which is available in the heap memory, and so this is the first point. This is, SCP is the special memory in the JVM to store the string object. To store the string object. Okay, so it will not allow us to create the duplicate values. To create the duplicate values, meaning, for example, this is the literal approach. If you try to create the, if you create string s1 equal to hello, this object will be stored in the SCP. If you are trying to store the same string object, then what it will do? It won't allow the duplicate values. So at the time, what it will do? So if you are trying to store the multiple values, S1 and S2 having the same content, hence one object will be created. One object will be created, and two variables will be pointed to the same object. Two variables will be pointed to the same object. Okay, 2 points will be pointed to the same object. Okay, this is with respect to memory. And after that, the string we can manipulate. Sir, you said like string is the immutable. Then again, yes, string is the immutable, but we can manipulate the string by using the predefined methods. So string is also predefined class, and in that we have the some predefined methods. With the help of those methods, we can manipulate the string data. With the help of predefined methods, we can manipulate the data. So what are the predefined methods we have? So those are multiple methods are available. So in the last session, we discussed about the length method. So what is the purpose of length method? To get the size of the string, meaning size of string, meaning number of characters available in the string, you can find out by using the length method. This is the syntax. Okay. And after that, we learned about the concat method. What is the purpose of concat method? To join the two strings. Okay, joining meaning appending the two strings. This is the syntax for the concat method. Str1 equal to search, and next str2 equal to Bangalore, and after that here you can write str1 dot concat method, concat, and here you can mention str2. So concat is the method which is used to join two strings, which is used to join two strings. Okay, we learned about caret method. Caret method which is used to get character based on the index position. To get character based on the given index. Okay, so such this value I am storing in the s variable, and I am getting the value characters. I am trying to get the characters based on the index positions. So whatever the value I have stored in that index position 0, when I try to call the index positions, so the value we can retrieve. That specific values we can retrieve. And next important thing is next important thing is equals method, double equals and equals method. So this is very important. Generally, which is used to uh, check the address of the check address of the string objects, address of the string objects, address of the objects. Okay, but in case of equals method, which is used to compare the content of two strings, compare the content of two strings. For example, here the content is such, and here if you are trying to give any other any other, so this is one string object, this is one string object. The content, the two strings, the content, two different content it is holding. Then when you are trying to use the equals method, it obviously it will written as the false. Why? Because the content is different, right? But in case of double equals, so what it will do, it will based on the address, based on the address it will return. Okay, based on the address. So double equals, which is used to compare the address of the string object, and equals method, which is used to compare the content of two strings, compare the content of two strings. So this is also very regular question. What is the difference between a single operator and equals method? So single operator, which is used to which will compare the address of string object, and equals method, which will compare the content of the object, content of the object. Okay, so after that, so we have the method that is the equals method, replace method. Replace method, which is used to replace chars, one char with another. Okay, one char with characters, replace characters with other characters, with another characters. So what is the syntax? For example, if you see here, s1 is holding the string value good Bangalore. I can replace with good with bad. You can manipulate the string values like this. You can manipulate the string values like this. Okay, so replace is the method, and which is used to replace. Okay, which is used to replace the characters with other characters. And next we have the to uppercase method. To uppercase method, which is used to convert all characters should be in the uppercase. Okay, so if the string object, if it is in the lower case, you can convert all characters should be in the uppercase. So that is the benefit with the to uppercase method. And we have the lower two lower case. If in case string object all characters, if in the lower case, you should convert all the characters in. If it is in lower case, you can convert uppercase. If it is in the uppercase, you can convert in the lower case. Okay. So and then after that, we have the method that is the index of method, which is used to get the first occurrence of the character. For example, if I take first occurrence, so like here, if I use the yes multiple times, and if I trying to mention character index of s, and it will return the index position, first occurrence of index position it will return. So where it occurring like that. Okay, similarly last index also same, so it will return last index of the last occurrence of the character, last occurrence of the character. And after that, if the character, whatever the character, if you are looking, if it is not available in that string object, then it will return -1. then it will return -1. So these are the things we learned in the last session. These are the things we learned in the last session. Okay. Okay, today we'll learn few more methods. The first method is value of method. Value of method. What is the purpose of value of method? So value of method, which is generally which is used to convert, okay, to convert any type of value, any type of value into string type, string type, any type of value into string type. For example, int a equal to 10 and int b equal to 20. Now value 10, which type? This is the integer type, right? So according to the value of method, what is the purpose of value of method? To convert any type of value into string type. To convert any type of value into string type. Okay. So how could I convert into the string type? So simple. The method is value of method. You can use the value of method string dot value of method. You can mention like this string dot value of method. So string is the class name. Okay. So value of is the static method. So if you want to call the, if you want to access the static method, so you mandatory should use the class name. Okay. If I use the class name, so that meaning this is the static method. So that static method and instance method going forward, at the methods concept, you can get the clarity. So as of now, you can, this is the static method. How you can access the static method? You can access the static method by using class name. So here I am using the class name, and with that I am getting the values. With that I am getting the values. Okay. The purpose of value of method, which is used to convert a type of any type of value into string type. Any type of value into string type. So I will write a program on it and then I will show you. I will take the file which is, I will take demo.java. Okay, the skeleton here I would like to take int a equal to some 10 value I'm taking, and next int b equal to some 20 value I'm taking. Now I want to convert these values into string. Normally what we did so far, so generally we will did the calculations, right, like int sum equal to a plus b. So from so far we did the programs like this. Finally, like if you take the SOP statement, in that we will mention the, if we mention the variable name, then whatever the value it is holding, that value it can print on the console. So these are the things we did so far. Now this is the integer type. This integer type we are converting into string type. How we can convert? So we have the string. String is the predefined class, and value of method. So value of method is the static method. So if you want to access the static method, you have to use class name. Okay, value of method, and b, you can mention a, and similarly string dot value of method b. Okay, it will return finally it will return finally the result, that is string format, right? String format. And then now I will take the system dot out dot println. Here you can mention with the result. Here you can mention with result, and you can save the file. You can go to the file location where the file is available. You can go to that file location, open command prompt, and compile the file demo.java. The file has successfully compiled Java and demo. It is returning 1020. 1020 is strings. These two are the strings. These two are strings. Okay. So the thing is, value of is the method which is converted. The purpose of value of method is we can convert any type of data into string. We can convert any type of data into the string. For example, here if I take the string values, which is like some 30, and here I would like to take some 30, some one value I will take. Now in this case, what it will do? In this case, what it will do? Already it is holding the same string value. Then it will do what it will do. Can compile the file, and then uh, so what it is showing here also can mention with string, and here also can mention with the string data type is the string. Okay, and you can save the file. Now we can run the file, compile the file. Now we can execute the file. We are getting as the 3050. 3050. Why? Meaning the value, whatever the value we took, which is already in format of string only. String only. So that is the thing you have to remember. Value of is the method which is used to convert integer type into the any type into string type. Okay, any type of value into string type. Any type of value into string type. Okay. So this is the next method we have, which is the method name is starts with. The method name is starts with. The method name is starts with. So what is the purpose of start method? So generally, it is used to check given string is starting with particular characters or not. It is used to check. It is used to check given string. Given string is starting with particular string or not. Particular char or not. Particular char or not. Is there any syntax? Yes, the syntax we have. We can take the string name as equal to some mention. We can take some such, and you can declare with, and now s dot, the method name starts with. Okay, and here you can mention with s. If it is starts with s, then it will return as true. It will return as true. If it is not start with, then it will return as the false. Then it will return as the false. So similarly, you have the method, one more method, that is the ends with method. Ends with method. So what is the purpose of ends with method? What is the purpose of ends with method? So it is used to check given string is ending with particular character or not. Is ending with particular character or not. Particular char or not. Okay. Particular char or not. So generally the same scenario, some same example I'm taking. The same example I'm taking. So here, if it is ends with. So if I mention the character, whatever the character is, it is holding the string object. If I mention the same character, then it will return the true. If it is not available, then it will return the false. If it is not available, then it will return the false. Then it will return the false. Okay, so the same thing we'll see with the programmatically also. We'll see with programmatically also. For example, here I am taking the string value which is some str equal to some such. Okay, and then str dot starts with the, I'm mentioning s. Okay, so you can take this one in two lines or directly can take in single line also. So I'm taking in single line, system dot out dot println, and here I'm mentioning that starts with s, starts with s. Okay, if the character is present in the string object, then it will return the true. Then it will return the true. Now I can go to command prompt. I can compile file. Okay, I can run my file, which is which is returning true, which is returning true. Okay, and similarly with respect to ends with also. So for example, here I am changing with ends. I am changing with ends. Okay, so if I changing with ends with is the method change with ends. Here if I mention the e is available or not, yes it is available. If it is available the character in the string object, then it will return true. Then it will return true. Now I can compile my file, and I can execute my file. Now you can get the true as the result. If it is not available, then it will return false as the result. Then it will return false as the result. So these are the two methods. These are the two methods. Okay, and okay, fine. Next we have the method that is the intent method. That is intent method. Intent method. So what will happen in case of intent method? What it will do? Generally, it is used to access the object from the SCP. It is used to access. It is used to object access object from the SCP. From the SCP. Already you know what does it mean by SCP, right? SCP meaning string constant pool area. When you create the objects will be stored in the SCP. Okay, so that is the memory location for the strings. Strings value will be stored in the SCP. Strings value will be stored in the SCP. So intent is the method which is used to access the objects from the string object SCP. For example, I will write the string s1 equal to, I am mentioning hi. I am mentioning here hi. Where hi will be stored? This hi will be stored in the SCP. This hi will be stored in the SCP. Okay. Now what I will do? I will do s2 equal to s1 dot intent method I am mentioning. Intent method. Intent method I am mentioning. So in this case, what will happen? This s2 assigned with, so generally it will take the data value from the SCP. The data it is given to S2. Now here what I will do, I will take SOP statement and I can check S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Okay, that I will show you. You can get the better understanding. So here we have the str. So this will be stored in the string constant pool area. String constant pool area I can mention with S1, and now I will take string s2 equal to string s2 equal to s1 dot intent method, s1 dot intent method. Okay, I am declaring that one. Now I will take SOP statement, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, and here I will mention s1 equal to s2, s1 equal to s2. Okay, now I can save this one. I can save the file. I can go to the command prompt, and now I can Now I can uh, execute the file. Now we are getting the value as 2, right? So thing is the purpose of intent method, which is used to access the object from the SCP, access the object from the SCP. It is used to access the object from the SCP, access object from the SCP. So that is all about intent method. That is all about intent method. And next method we have the toString method. ToString method. What is the purpose of toString? So toString method generally, which is used to convert toString method, which is used to convert uh, convert any object into the string format. Convert convert which is used to convert object into the string object into the string object into the string. So generally so as of now toString, like very regular, I mean very daily we will use the toString method actually. So if you want to convert any object into the string, then you can simply use the toString method. You can use the toString method. So normally in this case, if you go with this approach, so this is already holding a string object only, right? If you are trying to use the s1 dot toString, s1 dot toString, then obviously it will return the same. Obviously it will return the same. Obviously it will return the same. If I run the file, if I compile the file, obviously it will return the same. So the thing is, toString is the method which will convert any string, any object into the string, any object into the string. So generally going forward, we will convert one class and arrays and everything. We will store into the one object. That object we are converting into the one one I would say string object. We will convert into the string format. So going forward, we will work on more toString. So as of now, you can remember toString is the method which is used to convert object into the string, which is used to convert object into the string. Okay. So after that, we have the method that is toChar array method. toChar array method. toChar array method. What is the purpose of toChar array method? Which is converted used to convert string into the char array. It is used to convert a string into char array. Char array. Okay. So how the syntax it should be? So generally, for example, you can take s equal to, for example, if I take some Java and this this is the string object. This object I am converting into the char array. So we have the method that is the char array method. Char array method and char array method. This char array method you can store in some reference variable name that you can mention any name, char array or some result, anything you can mention result, and the data type of that variable is char. The data type of that variable is char. The data type of that variable is char. So this is the syntax. So normally I will show you this one. I will go to the program. Okay. So here I can mention with s1 dot char array method. Okay, so this char array method I'm storing in result as the variable, result variable, and this result variable data type is characters. Okay, so if I trying to print the same thing, system dot out dot println. So in this case, if I trying to print result, now we'll try to print that one and then we'll see Java C and cannot find the symbol which is in the format of char array method. The method name is to char array. Now can the run the file. It is printing the same. Now what you can do, we have to use arrays dot toString method. Arrays.toString method. ToString, and in that you can pass the result. Now you can save this file, and this arrays is the predefined class. This is coming from java.util package. So you have to import the statements. Import statement, import java.util package. Java.util dot, you can mention with like this. If I mention the star meaning, all the classes you can access which are available under this package. All the classes you can able to access. Whatever the classes are where interfaces are available under this package, you can able to access all the classes and interfaces. You can access all the classes and interfaces. Okay, now I can save this one. Now I can go to the command prompt, javac demo. The file has successfully compiled. Now you guys observe. So this is the string object. This string object we are converting into the array format. 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 Okay, so that is all about toString method, and after that, so value of start with and ends with intent method, toString method, and we have the methods which are okay. So I will open the document Java SC8 document. Java.lang package. In that we are discussing about the string class. You can go to that, and if I calm down, these all are the methods. And one more point here. So we are not completely we are not discussing about string. Why? Because if you understand here, string is the class and string parent class is the object, and string is implementing generally string is implementing these many interfaces like seriable, char sequence, comparable. It is implementing these many these now you can come here, string class, it extends object class, and it is implementing these many interfaces like seriable, comparable, char sequence. So this extends and implements. Extends keyword comes after the at inheritance. So that is the OOPS concept, and implements also that is coming at interface concept. That is also OOPS concepts. That is also OOPS concept. So as of now, we learned only 40 to 50% about the string. Okay, so that is the importance of OOPS. So OOPS, everywhere we will use the OOPS concept. So here, if you see here, extends and implements, so those are coming from the OOPS concept. So once you get the clarity on OOPS concept, then you can understand complete about the string concept. Complete about the string concept. Okay. And here one more thing is, okay, fine. String has the siblings. String has the string class that has the sibling. The siblings are string buffer and string builder. String buffer and string builder. So what is the all three purpose are which are used to store the group of characters only. Which are used to store the group of characters only. But in case of string, it is immutable. It is immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the values. But in case of string, in case of string buffer, this is the mutable. This is the mutable. This is the mutable, and this is also mutable. Then if they both are mutable, then what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? This is the thread safe. Okay, this is the thread safe. Thread safe meaning only one person can able to access one time. Only one person, only one person, only one person can able to access. Only one person can able to access at a time. At a time. Mutable meaning this is not thread safe. Not a thread safe. This is not thread safe. Meaning multiple persons can able to access at a time. Not thread safe. Multiple persons can able to access. Multiple persons can able to access at a time. Can able to access. Can able to access at a time. At a time. At a time. So like these are the differences. I will tell you that clearly. Like already we learned about the string and some of the methods in the string, and we'll try to understand about the string buffer, string buffer. So the first point is string buffer is the predefined class which is available in the java.lang package. So that is the first point. String buffer is predefined class. The string buffer is the predefined class which is available in java.lang package, which is available in java.lang package. Java.lang package. So can I show that one? You can go to the document, and under the string only we have the string buffer. Okay, string buffer. If I click on that, this is all about string buffer. This is all about string buffer. If you read this one, string is the thread safe and mutable sequence of character. Mutable sequence of character meaning it can change the values. The purpose of string buffer, which is used to store the group of characters. Store the group of characters, which is used to store the group of characters, which is used to store the group of characters. And next after that we have the next point. We have string buffer is the mutable. String buffer is the mutable. Is mutable. Mutable meaning we can change the values. 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 Okay, we can change the values. And the fourth point is string buffer is thread safe. String buffer is thread safe. Thread safe. Okay, only one person can able to access. Only one person. Only one person access at a time. Access at a time. At a time. Okay, at a time. For example, I will show you one program on that. For example, um, string buffer is the predefined class. How we can create the object for the predefined classes? by using a new keyword and buffer. And here I am passing the string value, that is hi. I am passing as the hi, and this object I am storing in some reference variable, that is the SB, and the data type is the string buffer. String buffer. Now this is the mutable or immutable. This is the immutable. Then directly can change the values. You can directly change the values like SB dot append. Append is the method. Append is the method which is available in the string buffer. Like I will show you that one. String buffer. If you go here, and this is the method, right? Append method is there or not there? Yes, append method is there. Okay, so simply you can use the append method. You can join the string values. You can join the string values. Now here append, I will mention some other value, that is hello. Hello I am mentioning. Okay, so now I am taking system dot out dot println, and here I will try to print the variable name. Okay, now I can compile my file. Hi hello. We are getting the value hi hello, right? We are getting the value hi hello. Okay, similarly this is with respect to string buffer. Okay, and with respect to string builder also same. String builder also same. I can say string builder also same. String builder. So the purpose of string builder, which is also same. So the first point is string builder is the predefined class. String builder is, I can say, predefined class. Predefined class which is available in java.lang package, which is available in java.lang package. Java.lang package. Okay, next point is, so this purpose also same, which is used to store the group of objects, store the group of objects, store the group of objects, store the group of characters, store the group of characters. Okay, store the group of characters, and this is also immutable only. Okay, so string builder also mutable. String builder is mutable. Okay, and this is the not thread safe. This is the not thread safe. String builder is not thread safe. Not thread safe meaning many peoples can able to access. Many people, multiple people can able to access. Multiple people, multiple people, multiple persons can able to access. So these are the thing. So string has the siblings. Those siblings are the string buffer and string builder. Then in the interview perspective, they will ask like, okay, the string has the siblings. That is okay, good. Then what is the difference between the string buffer and string builder? Is the, so they both purpose is the same. They can able to store the group of characters. Only the difference is this is a thread safe and this is not a thread safe. What is thread safe? Thread safe meaning only one person able to access. For example, if you want to book the bus, some bus tickets, and in that bus there one seat will be there. In that bus only one seat left, and so multiple people they are trying to book the same ticket at a time. So if the ticket has booked to the four members at a time, then what will happen? That is not good. That is not a good thing, right? So if one ticket had booked multiple persons, then what will happen? Four persons will come to the same bus stop. So that is not a good thing. Meaning, so at the time of booking, we can able to access only one person. Okay, if that person is the ticket is confirmed, then the thread will close like that. But if you access the multiple, if you want to access the same thread multiple persons, then that is called not a thread safe. Two different approaches. string buffer and string builder. Okay, I will give the overview. Today's summary I will give like what we discussed today, and we discussed about the methods, that is the value of method, the purpose of value of method to convert any type of value into the string type, any type of value into the string type only. Okay, so the method which is available in the string class. Okay, this is the static method. If you want to access the static method, you can directly call the static method by using the class name, which is available in the string class. If you want to use the value of method, you can able to call with class name. Now I am taking two values, int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and these two values I am converting into the string values. So finally, how can I get the values? I can get the values 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. Why 10 comma 20? Meaning I'm converting this integer values into the string. Okay, I'm not doing any addition operation. I'm not doing any addition operation. So that is the purpose of value of method. Next you have the method, that is the starts with method. Starts with method which is used to check given string is starting with particular character or not. Particular character or not. And if you see here, this is the string object. You can check the particular character which is start with or not. You can check with start with method. Similarly, ends with method also same. It is used to check given string ending with particular character or not. Particular character or not. Okay, so this is the string object. Then you can check the particular character ends with or not by using the ends with method. Next we have the intents method. It is used to access the object from the SCP. SCP string constant pool area, that is the special memory JVM will allocate to the strings. You can access the string object from the SCP by using the intent method. So some simple example we did like we store some string in S1 and we are calling that value, and that value we are storing in the S2, and again we are trying to compare the two strings S1 and equal to S2. So obviously it is returning the true. Why? Because sir, they both are same. They both are same. Okay. So similarly, toString is the method which is used to convert object into the string. Object into the string. ToString. The name itself will have the meaning. Okay, we can convert into the string object. It is converting into the string object. Next, you have the toChar array method, which is used to convert string into the char array. Char array. Char array. And the string has the two siblings. One is the string buffer, second one is the string builder. And what in the intro perspective, they will ask what is the difference between the string buffer and string builder. So string buffer is, it should be like this. Only the main two purposes of string buffer and string builder is they can store the group of characters. So it is the thread safe. String buffer is the thread safe, and string builder is the not thread safe. String builder is not a thread safe. String builder is not a thread safe. So the programs we can do with string builder also. The methods are same. Whatever the methods are available in the string buffer, the same methods are available in the string builder also. The methods are the same. Now I can change into the builder. Now only the thing, I can go to the command prompt. I can compile my file. Now I can run my file. Okay, I am getting the same value. Hi, hello. So the methods are same in case of string buffer and string builder. Only difference is string buffer is the thread safe. String buffer is the thread safe. String builder is the not thread safe. String builder is the not a thread safe. Not a thread safe. So that we have to string guys. So what you guys will do today, you can do, you can do assignments on these methods. Value of starts with ends with intent method. Okay, to carrier method, and by using the string buffer, by using the string builder, by using the string builder, by using the string builder. Okay. So that's it today. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask, or else you can share your names.